えええええええ
What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel ngayon at maglalaro tayo ngayon ng Start Survey. Start na tayo. Start a survey. Yes. Are you having a nice day? No, kasi I'm very nervous. Are you have any responsibilities? Yes. Look around for a moment. Okay. Oh, that's me. What the? No? Ba't nandyan ako? Ha? Ba't nandyan ako? Ano yun? No. Do you know where are you? No. Di. No. Can you shut? Have you ever felt like there was somebody in the room? Huh? Meron. Kasi nandyan naman ako eh. Have you find yourself questioning your existence? Huh? No. Do you believe there is God? Yes. Are you scared of the darkness? No. Ba't nawala yung key? Nawala yung key dyan, no? Are you answering this question out of free will? Yes. Are you certain? Huh? No? Have you ever had the dream that saw you when you from reality? Yes. Yes. Do you feel ako? Yes. Very much. Oh my god. Yeah. Who the freak? Who the freak entered my room? Who are you? Maybe yes. Kasi it's so clean. Open the phone. No, Yeah. Paano niya nalaman? Oh, I'm from Philippines. Yes. Did you think you could lie to us? Did you believe you wouldn't know the truth? Yes. Actually, maganda to ah. Arsa. Or you straight. Consequences. Do you understand? Yes. Dito ako nag-worry. Oh, baka may ano. biglang... Of course, paano ko nakapag ng survey? Very... Yes. Paano niya nalalag, do you think? Yeah. Very much. I'm overthinking. Would you anybody come looking for? Yes. Are you alone? No. No, yes. I am You're check your room. No. Ano yun? Gusto nga natin Vegas. Sometimes we accept being watched while answering our question. Yeah, you are watching my video. Yeah, kayong mga viewers. Kaya mag-subscribe ka na. Do you ever feel you want to do something bad even though you know it's wrong? No. If you scream, would anybody hear? Yes. Are you scared of gunshots? No. Do you know the person is standing? Ilang tao dito guys?
Having survived my partial poisoning, it's time to face today's real challenge.
Nakakatakot yun ah. No. Relax. Take some time. No, not yet. Yes. Naggan, nakakagulit yun ah. Did I? No. Ay, bakit yes yung mapindot?
Papa! Oo.
No.
Yeah!
Ano naman ah?
Dito!
Is there meaning to life?
Dito!
Pamajay trash.
Yes!
Have you felt someone is watching? Yes. Ba't nandyan ako? Have you know who you are yet? Yes. Actually, I'm very kind. Do you know what is happening now? Anong tawag dyan? Ba't di ko masara to? Have you ever heard stranger? Yes, very much. Yes, mostly. If you ever told truth about your existence, would you deny hope? Huh? If you ever told the truth of your existence, would you deny it? Hopes for a better answer, yes. Did you think that you could lie to us? Did you believe we wouldn't know the truth? Yes. Our survey is picking individuals that are honest. Don't worry, you still got 2 chances left. Huh? Di ko gets. From now, if you keep lying to us, the consequence will be nice. You are very sus. So be careful. Do you understand this? Bakit? Depin ko eh. Yes? Paano niya na anak na ano? Sa bagay, may listening naman ako. What will people think about you when they see you? When I ask question, is really you answering this? If you could prove that you are not sorry, would be shocked. Yes. Do you want to know the truth? Of course. Look at your window. Walang tao dito sa bahay. Wala naman dito. Walang tao dito eh. Sure ako wala. Window. Wait, check ko. Wala naman. Wala naman akong nakita. Dito sa game meron.
Teka.
Kung nakik talaga.
Kaya ka, Jai.
Diba? Yay! That's